Remember my failed hive? A few weeks ago, this hive was failing. Weak, stressed, and barely holding on. But now, it's thriving. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I brought it back, step by step, with simple DIY methods anyone can do. It's active and the queen is laying eggs really well. So, what did I do? My main approach was to keep the hive stress-free. I fed it thick syrup to prevent stress from food shortages. I made a 4-to-1 sugar to water syrup. I added essential vitamins to the syrup to support the bees' health. I did a light but effective mite treatment. I used Amatrez smoke strips. It's not organic, but it's effective and doesn't stress the bees. I kept the colony compact by removing extra frames and making sure the bees stayed densely on the combs. If you're facing major temperature swings, definitely use a heating element to keep things stable. One last tip, especially for those hives you thought were beyond saving. By keeping the hive temperature steady between 28 and 32 degrees Celsius, you can safely boost a weak hive by adding capped brood from stronger ones, especially those about to emerge. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll be happy to help if I can. If this helped you, give it a like. And let me know in the comments how your hives are doing.